Hey everyone, it's Rhino here with your Disney News Roundup for the week of June 26, 2021. Before we get started with the news, I want to remind everybody that this video and everything that we do here at the Diz Unplugged is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. They are experts at helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation. When you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip, and you help support the channel and all the content that we produce here. So check them out at dreamsunlimitedtravel.com. And so let's dive right in. The big news of last week was the return of fireworks. Remember, with Happily Ever After and Epcot returning, Epcot Forever returning July 1st, and Mickey's Mix Magic on the 4th at Disneyland Resort. Well, we have some more information on the 50th anniversary celebration events, and that does include some new shows and fireworks that are going to be premiering on October 1st, which is the kickoff day for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary that will last 18 months. We will finally see the debut of Harmonious at Epcot, like I said, on the 1st of October. Disney has described this show as one of the largest nighttime spectaculars ever created for a Disney park, and we've been hearing about it since 2019, so I'm over it at this point and it hasn't even come out yet. So the new exciting show on the street, or the main street to be exact, is Disney Enchantment at Magic Kingdom, which is a new show that will feature music, enhanced lighting, stunning fireworks, and immersive projections not only on the castle but all the way down Main Street, USA. And that's not all. Animal Kingdom is getting the love as well with Disney Kite Tales, a new daytime show that will take place at the Discovery River Amphitheater starting October 1st as well. You guessed it there. I feel like I've said October 1st a lot. October 1st, October 1st, October 1st. Performers are going to be flying wind catchers and kites of all shapes and sizes out on the water. Some will stretch as long as 30 feet and depict Disney animal friends such as Simba, Zazu, Baloo, and King Louie. So it looks like every park is getting some love except for Hollywood Studios. I know they're going to do that Beacons of Light projection thing on the Tower of Terror, but it does feel like every other park is getting something special so far. So I don't know what's up with that. Are we returning back to the old days where Hollywood Studios is the neglected park again? I hope not. But I'm sure more information is going to be announced as we go. Anyway, there is still more information that we did get about the 50th, and that is that Mickey Mouse and his friends are going to be all decked out in their sparkling new iridescent fashions as they host the world's most magical celebration. You'll also have the chance to see those characters several times a day during Mickey's Celebration Cavalcade. And if that is not enough for you, well, get ready for some sculptures. There are going to be 50 character sculptures displayed across all 4 of the Walt Disney World theme parks. Several books have also been announced in celebration of the 50th as well, releasing on September 28th. You'll have A Portrait of Walt Disney World, 50 Years of the Most Magical Place on Earth. This coffee table book showcases all of Walt Disney World over the past 50 years. There will be unseen theme park concept art and photos as well. For those of you who love the culinary side of Walt Disney World, there's Delicious Disney Walt Disney World. The cookbook meets coffee table book will be full of beautiful photos and behind-the-scenes anecdotes with more than 60 recipes. The recipes and stories go all the way back to 1971, but will also feature current favorites from Walt Disney World. That book is also going to be available September 28th, but that one is exclusively available at the Walt Disney World Resort and on Shop Disney. And finally, you have Art of Coloring Walt Disney World 100 Images to inspire creativity from the most magical place on Earth. An adult coloring book also releasing September 28th, also exclusive to Walt Disney World and Shop Disney. Now, we also got a first look this week at the refurbished rooms at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and they look incredible. Zing. Yeah, I said it. They are incredible themed, but honestly, I do think they look really good. These rooms will blend a sleek monorail motif with some favorite characters from Pixar Animation Studios' incredible films, including Jack Jack, Frozone, and Edna Mode. New custom artwork in guest rooms and along guest corridors will be modern, futuristic, and oh so stylish, darling, complementing the resort's architecture while putting the super's powers on display. In the lobby, you'll soon see a collection of modern art pieces as well as historical behind-the-scene photographs of Disney's Contemporary Resort in development and under construction. The resort's lobby, the Wave of American Flavors, will also soon close. I think I just said the resort's lobby, and I meant the resort's lobby restaurant. So the restaurant, the Wave of American Flavors, like I said, is going to close soon, and that is going to make way for a reimagined dining experience in time for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary celebration. And once the tower guest rooms are complete, work will begin on the rooms inside the garden wing out on the shore of Bay Lake. For more information and a closer look at some of the photos, you can head over to www.info.com. You'll find a link to that story in the description of this video down below. So, all right. So we lost out on basically everything last year, right, including conventions, and it would seem those may be on the horizon for returning, as the biggest Disney fan event of the year, Destination D23, is coming to the Walt Disney World Resort. This fan-favorite event will be held at Disney's Contemporary Resort from November 19th through the 21st of the year 2021. Event and attendees get to enjoy being the first to hear exciting announcements and see sneak peeks from the many worlds of Disney, including reliving some of your most favorite memories with behind-the-scenes stories, special guests, and so much more. Tickets will go on sale in July, and if you're looking to attend, become a D23 Gold member so that you'll be able to purchase those tickets. So I've never been to one on the East Coast. I've only been to the ones, the D23 on the West Coast. I do know the one here is in no way like the other one. This one is very much focused on like history of everything. I can't wait for the next one out in California, though. I have loved every one of those events that I have been to, and they have just gotten bigger and crazier every year. So I can't wait for that. That one will be returning. I believe the date's September 2022. It's somewhere around there. It's August or September. I can't remember, but okay, for me, the biggest story of this week is that Salt and Straw, the popular ice cream shop located at downtown Disney at Disneyland, and obviously famous throughout the West Coast, and there is one on the East Coast, I believe, maybe more than one, but there's definitely one in Miami. Anyway, it's opening a brand new location at Walt Disney World in 2022. So why so long? I don't know. So Salt and Straw is a family-run company founded by cousins Kim and Tyler Malik, born in Portland, Oregon in 2011. 2021 marks Salt and Straw's 10-year anniversary. Best known for its cult favorite ice cream, Salt and Straw offers innovative, taste-provoking flavors that connect fans to food narratives and provide ongoing taste adventures. Fans of the brand can indulge in ever-changing menu of its small batch hand-churned ice cream, as the company creates unique menus in each city that change every 4 to 6 weeks. Like right now in Hawaii, in Miami, the location in Miami, there is a Goosebumps flavored ice cream, because right now their theme is all about like reading and like series of books and stuff like that. And anyways, I saw the Goosebumps one. It's like Monster Blood, and I want it so bad, and it's only till July 1st. So yeah, I will not be near one of those locations, unfortunately, before it goes away. But what's cool is that the Salt and Straw at the Disney Springs location is going to include some favorite flavors like honey lavender and the chocolate gooey brownie, alongside unique flavor collaborations specific to its Florida locations, including the salty donut guava and cheese, which is one of the best donuts at the Salty Donut, and Panther Coffee chocolate tres leches. Oh my gosh, tres leches! I love tres leches. But I just, when I was like typing this all up, I just saw, I had no idea the Salty Donut collab was still going on with Salt and Straw, and so I am super happy because I thought it was just one of their 4 to 6 months things. So if you haven't heard me talk about this, the Salty Donut, there is one right across the street from where the original Gideon's is in the East End Market. I mean, the Salty Donut's right next to East End Market in Winter Park. So if you're thinking you don't want to wait in the really long line at the one at Disney Springs, it's probably less of a drive just to go to the one in Winter Park and check that out, and get some donuts while you're up there. But anyway, I am super, super, super excited to create a warm and welcoming destination for the Disney Springs Scoop Shop. The Salt and Straw team enlists longtime partner Osmos Design. Visitors and locals alike can indulge in the magic and wonder of Salt and Straw's unique flavors while connecting with one another. The Portland-based design team is led by principal and owner Andy Hess, who has envisioned all 26 Salt and Straw locations throughout the country. Hess shares that as huge Walt Disney World fans, we were inspired to go really big with an exterior facade that screams ice cream, and make sure we show the world how excited Salt and Straw is to be here. The results will be an epically inviting and tantalizing, exciting shop that evokes crafted deliciousness. This is another great addition to Walt Disney World, honestly. They're just starting to really churn out these awesome little spots here. So this place is one of those ones that's like worth the hype. So get hyped. Also, some more good news. It would seem that the evening campfire that takes place at Fort Wilderness Resort and Campgrounds movie area has resumed, but without Chippendale and without the cowboy sing along. The campfire will take place from 7 to 8 p.m. on select nights throughout the rest of June and will begin occurring every evening starting July 1st. Again, for the time being, Chippendale will not be a part of the campfire time, and the sing along portion of the campfire will not take place. Don't want to be spitting on people with all those fancy songs they sing over there. But also, probably there's no entertainment people to do it because I don't know where all the entertainment cast members are. I hope they get hired back and we see more of that. But guests may bring their own supplies for roasting marshmallows, and if you need extra s'more supplies, graham crackers, chocolate bars, and bags of marshmallows are available for sale at the nearby Meadow Trading Post. The nightly movie Under the Stars begins at 8:30 p.m. Those wishing to participate should keep in mind that both the campfire and the movie are weather permitting. This is honestly one of my favorite things to do at Walt Disney World, and this is my favorite place to do it in because Fort Wilderness was like made for this sort of activity, and the setup over there is just, it's great. I love it. So if you're staying anywhere on property, just I'd say give it a try, So, and before I go, I just want to bring up some interesting thing about the Disney After Hours Boo Bash, which it appears as of the recording of this, they may have increased the capacity for this year's hard-ticketed event. There were like a dozen sold-out dates last week and earlier this week, and then all of a sudden, a couple of days ago, there were only 2 days sold out. So I don't know what happened. Obviously, we know nothing about capacity or how many tickets were sold or anything like that. But let's just all hope collectively that it stays in line with the limited attendance of after-hours parties in the past, and it's not just a full-blown day at Magic Kingdom that is just full to the brim of people. So, well, that is going to do it for me. That is all the news that I have for you this week. There are other news stories floating around out there, and if you want to check those out, you can head over to wdwinfo.com to stay up to date with all of those fun things. If you enjoyed this video, of course, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And again, if you are planning a Disney vacation at any time in the future, don't forget, booking with Dreams Unlimited Travel costs you nothing extra, and you help support the show, so we appreciate that. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and I will see you later. Bye, everyone.